Hello, good evening to all of you. Today we start topic cancellation and amendment. The cancellation is obliterating a reservation that had been done by a guest with a hotel, while amendment is a change in the reservation. The change can be regarding any one or all of the following: date of arrival, date of departure, duration of stay, and type of room, number of rooms, number of person, and food plan, etc. For any cancellation of room reservation, a minimum of 3 days notice is required for FIT guest. This is known as cut off date or cut out date. If this condition is not fulfilled, then a retention charge is taken from guests. The cutoff date for a group reservation is normally 30 days. Next, cancellation code. When a cancellation is accepted, a cancellation code is developed and given to the guest, which can be used as a reference in future. A cancellation code is as under. First one, the first three digit represent the day of particular year. Here 098 stands for 98th day of the year, that is 8th of April. Second, the following two digit stands for the year, that is 2012. Third is the sixth and the seventh digit together stand for the property code, which is applicable for chain hotels only. The reasons being in chain hotels, booking of rooms, one hotel can be done from another hotel of same chain. The fourth one is next two characters are initial for reservation assistant who takes the cancellations. The last one is the last three digit is the serial number of the cancellation, which is maintained in the cancellation register kept in the reservation section. The next is cancellation procedure in diary system. The first point is as soon as cancellation request is received, the cancellation code is developed and informed to the guest. Second point is the cancellation form is then filled up if in use and is stapled with the RR form. The third point is the cancellation code is written clearly on cancellation form and kept in the cancellation file together with the RR form. The fourth one is the entry in the hotel diary is cancelled by drawing a line across and is marked as cancelled. The fifth point is ALC is updated and then RSB if required. The sixth point is the cancellation code is noted down in the remarks column of the hotel diary along with the signature of reservation assistant. Seventh is the cancellation register is then filled in. The eighth is cancellation procedure in veterinary system. Ninth, as soon as the cancellation request is received, a cancellation code is developed and informed to the guest. The 12th, next week, the cancellation form is then filled. The 11th is the original witness slip is then taken out and marked as cancelled. 12th is cancellation form RR form and the original copy of witness slip along with duplicate copy are stapled together and kept in the cancellation file. Next cancellation register is then filled. Last one is the DCC updated and subsequently RSF is required. This is the cancellation form register. First column is serial number. Next column is date of cancellation. The next is cancellation code. Next column is name of guest, type of room, date of arrival, source of reservation, and last one is remarks. Thank you to everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.